front of me is Samsung Galaxy M56, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or off auto rotation. All you need to do is go into tab menu and look for portrait shortcut. It's a grey one with a padlock, or a white auto rotate one. As you can see, portrait is over here, so when I click, it's white and it says auto rotate. That means that auto rotation is now on. To switch it off, tap on the same shortcut. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!